So we just got keys to the new office. So we'll take you on a quick little tour. If we can find... Right there. Ooh. Oh man, these are like old school bulbs. Okay. Well, this is it. It's essentially double wide from our previous office. Same length. Yeah, look at that. Is it recording? It is recording. So the previous tenant was an electric scooter. They're an electric scooter distributor. So these are all imported in. I think they're a French company and they're moving on to another location, but they have an office in West Hollywood. And this area is going to be the new loft space. So it'll be nice and big, although the kitchenette area is something to be improved upon, that's for sure. Actually, it's kind of really shitty, but whatever. We have a similar office upstairs to what we had before. Some pretty good lighting. Might turn this into the photo studio, all white. Oh, and it does have one AC unit right now. Where does the piping go for it? It goes from outside here. Where? Oh. Okay. All right. Yeah. So we'll probably drop 2 more AC lines, one here and maybe one over there. Yeah, I'll have to figure that part out. What do we got down here? Another half-size office. Not bad. Ooh, an electric scooter. That's cool. Surfboard. Yeah. Oh, and they have a AC unit in here as well. Okay. So the offices are already cooled. That's pretty nice. Bathroom is a bathroom. Ooh.
And it's full of Bud Light!
So let's kind of give you the idea of what's happening. Cars will come in here, and instead of now kind of just parking right here, we're going to be able to make a wide right turn, set this up as a headlight testing station. So cars turn in here, we're going to have our SAE headlight diagram on this wall, and that'll give us pretty accurate measurement. Over here is going to be a wall with all of our automotive tools, workshop type tools. Storage loft just to hang out. Maybe a kitchen, or a real kitchen on this side or on this side. But then the whole rest of the space is really just storage. I think Brent and the guys are gonna sit somewhere right here. And the rest of the space will just, I don't know, we'll figure out what to do with it. The office space, I think, will turn into one will be our camera storage, so all our audio visual equipment, and the other one will be my office. I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway, that's the tour for now. We are moving in a couple days, so I've got all of our wood materials out there, and we just made a little ramp here so that we can roll all of our storage units out, up, and over to the next unit. So that's about it. Anyway, catch you next time.